Hi guys, welcome to the Three Sisters Farm. Today we are getting ready for our calf stall because two of our cows will be calving in April, and then we'll start our milking process. Right now is cleanup day, so we're going to clean up all the slop from winter and make a clean place for the calves to lay after they're born. And that's what we're gonna do today. So here's the place that we're cleaning out for the calves. We'll put the two babies in here with the mama still being able to see them nose to nose. And this is the start of it. So I'll see you in a bit as I help my husband clean out the stall. Okay, so we got the calf pen up. We just put a cattle panel on the outside, and then this is a gate that we'll be able to open so that we can bottle feed the calves that will be born with their mama's milk. So this is just open and closed, pretty easy for the girls to go in and out of the barn to feed the calves. So here's the outside view of the calf pen. It's right here. And there's the door that we'll be going in and out of then to get into the calf pen. So I think it'll be pretty good for them, and it'll keep them out of the weather and give them some fresh air, and their mamas can still see them, and then the mamas will be able to easily go into the barn to be milked. We'll have more to come. Hi, so now we are trying to bird proof our barn. We had gaps under our sliding doors. So now we're gonna place a 6x6 under the doors, and hopefully that'll keep the birds out from going under the gap. So there's the gap under the door that we're digging a trench, and then we'll put our 6x6, which is right there, under it, and then smooth it out. So now we're digging out, and we want it 5 inches below the door. So we'll have an inch to smooth out the end.
Above the bottom of the door.
All right, so we got the 6x6 board in under the ground that we dug 5 inches down. So now we're going to screw it into each end, and then we will backfill egg lime and stone to make it smooth for any cows and tractors and stuff that's going to be going into the barn. So we got our 6x6 post in. My husband put the bucket on his Kubota, and we got some gravel from the driveway, and we are gonna backfill the outside with the gravel, and then the inside we'll put some fill dust in it because that's what's in the rest of the barn. Done. You guys see if the doors can close. So here we are dumping the ag line for the inside of the barn. And then I'll smear it out and we'll have a level entrance for all the things that are gonna come in the barn. It's gonna spread a little bit over here, and then he'll spread a little bit right here, and then I'll smear it out. All right, so we got the ag line spread out for the inside of the barn, the gravel on the outside. Hopefully that will stop the birds from coming in and pooping on everything. My husband's gonna drive through our barn and we're gonna add some ag lime to the outside of the other door. All right, so here's our other door with another board across it, ag lime up to the top on the inside, and then we're just going to finish this up with ag lime on the inside and make a gentle slope for easy access in and out. All right, so we got both doors done, ag lime down, smoothed out as best we can. And I think we're good to go. So hopefully no birds, we minimize the birds coming into the barn. Thanks for hanging out with us today. This is what we do on a warm spring day. We get the barn / farm ready for calves due in April. And in the next video, I'll introduce you to the calves. And hope you learned something and enjoyed watching how things run on our farm. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe and like below. Thanks.